The Brothers and the T-Rex, Season 2, Part 3, The Volcano's Heart. When the swirling light faded, Brayden and Hayden found themselves standing on black rock that shimmered with heat. The air smelled like smoke and ash. "Whoa," Hayden said softly. "We're inside a volcano?" Da sniffed the air, his tail twitching. "Not just any volcano. Look." Ahead, rivers of glowing lava flowed between tall stone bridges. The sky above them burned orange, and deep rumbles shook the ground. Brayden stepped closer. "It's alive." They followed the path of cooled stone toward the center, where a bright red light pulsed like a giant heartbeat. The crystal in Brayden's pocket glowed in rhythm. Da frowned. "That light, it's the same as the crystal's power. Maybe this is where it was born." Suddenly, the ground split open. A burst of lava sprayed into the air, and from it rose a creature made of molten rock, a fire guardian with blazing eyes and a voice that rumbled like thunder. "Who dares enter the volcano's heart?" it boomed. Brayden gulped. We're not here to steal anything. We're just trying to find our way home." The guardian's fiery face flickered. "Home cannot be found without courage. Prove yours, or be turned to ash." Hayden whispered, "Uh-oh." Da stepped forward bravely. "We accept your challenge." The guardian lifted a molten arm and created 3 paths of stone above the lava. "Cross without falling. Only then will you earn passage." The brothers took a deep breath and stepped onto the first bridge. It trembled under their feet. Lava bubbled below, glowing like the sun. "Don't look down," Brayden said. Halfway across, a blast of steam shot up, nearly knocking Hayden off balance. Da caught him with his tail and gently set him back on his feet. "Thanks, big guy," Hayden said, smiling shakily. They moved carefully, jumping over cracks and glowing rocks. Finally, they reached the center platform. The fire guardian loomed before them. "You did not run," it said. "Your hearts burn brighter than fear. The crystal belongs to those with courage." The molten creature opened its hand, revealing a glowing shard of red crystal. It floated toward Brayden and merged with the blue one in his pocket, forming a swirl of fire and light. The volcano calmed. The rumbling stopped. Even the lava's glow softened to a warm, golden hue. Da nodded. "We've earned its power." Hayden yawned. "Does that mean the adventure's over?" Brayden shook his head, smiling. "It means we're ready for what's next." As the new crystal shimmered, a beam of light surrounded them. The last thing they saw was the fire guardian bowing his head before everything turned white. When the brightness faded, they were back in the crystal cave, safe, warm, and glowing with new energy. Da smiled gently. "You've grown brave, little brothers. Rest now. Tomorrow, the crystal will guide us again." The boys curled up beside their dinosaur friend as the crystals pulsed softly, like a heartbeat from another world.
With one final kiss and one final hug in their blankets, nice and snug. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. When the brothers and their dino friend lay their heads down at the day's end, with one final kiss and one final hug in their blankets, nice and snug. La 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 la. With one final kiss and one final hug in their blankets, nice and snug.